Taurus, the song that's playing for you is just how it is. So whether you dealing with somebody and you in a situation where it's like, hey, it is what it is, or that's just how shit go. You feel me? You maybe came aware of some shit and you're like, damn, I guess that's just how it is. Or you telling somebody just how it is. You keeping it a buck with somebody. You keeping it straight and forward. Hey, this is how it is. Or that's how somebody being with you. Somebody telling you this is how it is. And you gonna have to take that or not. Whether you want to or not, you gonna have to take this what it is. You may see something as a foundation, and you may have fell in love with something. Person, place, a thing. Whether it's an idea, habit, hobby, routine, or someone or something. You feel me? You see something that's solid. So you may be expressing yourself, and it's just like you just gonna have to tell it how it is. Or you just gonna say how it is. You gonna do something. You gonna do something. That's all speculation though. That's just off the song. Just off the song. You gonna have to let me know. Taurus. First card out. Yeah, you out your head in regard to something. Once upon a time, you was confused. Maybe you might have been confused because you were accepting immature mentalities, immature ways or routines or patterns you would use to express how you feel in regards to a situation, a space, or just things that you involved yourself with. Once upon a time, that shit had you cloudy. You were accepting bad mentalities from your external realm, and you were letting those put you in your head, or it was just you were investing in a habit or routine that wasn't serving you for your highest good whatsoever. But now because something happened. Look, 444. Now because something happened, playing out simple. It's like now you out your head in regards to a situation, whatever that situation may be. You feel me? You can see something for what it is now. And it's like now, it's almost like now you've been put in the space to stand for something, or it's like you're representing something. Whether it is seen or it is being spoken from you, or your practice or your routine is showing people externally outside of you, you are representing or you are about what it is you religiously or routinely participate in. You ain't confused in regards to what it is you believe or what you feel about no more. Can't nobody confuse you no more. Page of Swords in reverse. Can't nobody confuse you anymore. Look, it fell out sideways, but it was more tilted this way. That's why I picked it up. So it's like that. See, whether someone wants you to continue to nurture something, or you are no longer confused about a bad investment or a bad idea you enacted. What song is this? 10 Rounds with Jose Curvio or Curvo. If it's Curvio, then Curvio. If it's Curvo, then it was Curvo. But you was going round for look, I'm telling you was going round for something that wasn't good for you. It's like you were fighting for something that would not benefit you, even if you obtained or were to continue to participate or do. You feel me? You had to put the burden down. But it's like after 10 rounds of what you had, it's like after the fact of you nurturing something. It's like you gave something your all, only to realize it wasn't even worth your all. You feel me? It's like you're out of your head about that though. You can see that something may not be worth the energy you give it or gave it. Because it's like you became aware of something. And it's like your actions show. It's unconscious. Higher authority outside of you, and this card fell out with you out of your head. You're expressing and projecting. It's like you're taking unconscious action, higher thought. You got unaware software upgrade. You may not even know why you feel different, or you just moving different in regards to what it is you were investing yourself into. Because once upon a time, you was lying to yourself. It's like you can't lie to yourself no more. Because you can see clearly. You don't have to let me know what it is, though. 9 of coins in reverse. Look at that. Yeah, it's like you gave something your all. But it's like now you're out your head because you realize you was almost like, I want to say, playing for the wrong team almost. Because your all should have been going towards yourself. But it's like you were nurturing something. You found something that's stable. Something that's stability. You seen something that's solid. But for some reason, that unconscious to you, see, it's like you put a burden down. It was some sort of mental burden. You put some sort of mental burden down in regards to a space you share with something, or a space you have filled with ideas and feelings in regards to another space and or situation you involve yourself. You feel me? If you following me, you following me. Cool. You doing that, it's like you don't know why you feel different, but you defensive towards something now. It's like you're now defensive towards what you were once nurturing or investing your time and energy into. And it's unconscious, this balance that is being brought to you. You feel different in the space you used to feel comfortable in. And look, it's like it's relating to, I was thinking of the song. What song is this? Hard to choose one. What I told you, it's relating to your foundation. It's because you may be. It's hard to choose. You got a choice, basically, and you know you got a choice. See, the first card, it's like you out your. If I show only the ones. You out your head in regards to situation. You see, it's like you're nurturing something that'll only bring you long-term long-term lack. I was gonna say abundance. You feel me? So whatever mentality, if this is a mentality, then you know this thought pattern. You out your head in regards to this thought pattern. You can see that this thought pattern isn't good for you. You feel me? If this is you. If this is just the one. But if I show the two, which may be the second option, it's like you're taking control and calling judgment and standing by and or standing for something. Because this is someone of a high stature representing and or preaching whatever they are religiously standing for and have the attention of other being other people or other mentalities. Other ideas, other awarenesses, you feel me? And that, you doing that will bring balance. You doing that will unconsciously bring balance to a foundation you have. You feel me? It's like you doing one thing will fix another almost. But you still have to make the decision to do this, to take the step. You're out your head, but are you going to do this? Are you going to stand for what you... It's like, are you going to express the wisdom you've gained in regards to the situation you're in? Because once you do that, in regards to connecting to something that is not good for you, it will bring balance to an investment or just something you're passionate about. Look, Wheel of Fortune. It seems you just gotta take action. Hey, you gotta let me know though. I'ma fuck with you.